The crew is together again! Yay!
Everywhere you
come to Malaysia, they say. It's relaxing. Look at the friggin' hills they got me the bloody climb.
No one said it was relaxing, Jim. You said it was relaxing. I saw your Facebook post and you said, now time to relax. I thought, oh, poor Jim.
Yeah.
It's not relaxing.
They got into me again.
You can relax when you go to Bali.
Yeah, this is serious stuff.
Yeah. All right.
Ask me who I think's going to win.
Who do you think's going to win?
Valentino Rossi.
I knew, Martin. Are you all excited for the race?
Definitely, mate.
Definitely?
Yeah.
We all are, I think. Yeah. What do you think of the race? The big race. Who? Marky. Ah, cool. Who do you think is going to be the winner of the race today?
There's one on the motorway.
Smart man.
Someone on a motorbike.
I'm going to look like Arnold Schwarzenegger by the time I finished all this. God's sake. Who says motorsport's bloody boring? Enough motorcycles out that way. How excited are you?
Oh, I'm just beside myself, mate.
Beside yourself? Been a good day, you reckon?
If there was two of me, I'd be beside myself. It's been a good day so far, mate. Cool.
Been a good day? Have you had a good day?
I had a fantastic day, Jim. Thank you very much, mate. We're going to see Jack Miller come through for the win, mate.
Hopefully he'll be on the podium, eh?
We could be in for a bit of rain.
Have you anything to say about today?
Cheers! Go Martin! Go Martin!
Would you like to add? Oh. No, you lost your voice already. Really. Better have another beer. Hello, Marty. My main man. Keep me under control. Alright, this is what we come for. The big race. Alright, guys. I'll try and get as much as the footage and yeah, the experience. That's what it's all about, the experience. Because you'll probably see this on your live TV. Cheers, guys. Okay, my first GP in Malaysia at Sepang, yeah?
Sepang.
Sepang, yeah. My buddy here took me to it, taught me into going. Best thing I ever did.
Second best. Yeah.
Well, I met you, didn't I?
No, you married your mission.
Oh, do we have to bring her in? Okay. Well, you're the third.
Third.
No, you have to be the second, because Hang will be the third.
Okay.
Oh, well. All bullshit aside, what a great event. Get yourself down here if you need to get it on your bucket list, and yeah, come down with some friends, because it's the best way to spend it, and yeah, you'll have a great time. Yeah, in my blogs you see me struggle a little bit on the hills. It's a little bit of a how can we say,
It's a labour of love.
Labour of love, yes. So yeah, so if you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up, and subscribe, and that way you'll see some of my videos that I make, and I hope you enjoyed. All the best from Malaysia.
Ciao.
By the way, next series will be, what does a Harley rider do when he's not in Australia and hasn't got a Harley? He goes to Bali and has a good time. So I'll catch you on that one. Cheers, guys.